Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from Group A and we will present on how to measure resistance, AC/DC voltage and AC/DC current.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Adi Babantu Johari. So today I will show you how to measure resistor and DC voltage. First of all, I will introduce you to the equipment that will be used in this activity. We have digital multimeter. Second, we will use battery 9 volt and we use breadboard, and lastly we will use the resistor 220 ohm. Okay, in this video we have resistor, breadboard, battery 9 volt and multimeter. So two probes are plugged in to two ports on of the unit. First, we plug in the black probe that must connected to the COM connection on the multimeter, and the red probe connect to the connection on the multimeter that is marked VMA. To measure resistance of resistor, turn the multimeter dial to the on marking. Connect the dose wires to the two ends of the resistor. The value will be shown on the multimeter display. So next, I will measuring DC voltage. I use battery 9 volt, and we have positive and negative terminal of the battery. Next, simply turn the selector dial on the multimeter to the DC voltage setting. If measuring a single battery cell, then you can start by setting the multimeter dial to 20 volt. After that, use the two probe to measure across the battery terminal. In this video, the black probe on the negative terminal of battery, the red probe should be on the positive terminal of the battery, and the voltage of the battery will show on the multimeter display.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Ahmad Hafiz bin Mahzan and in this video I will show you how to measure the voltage for AC circuit or AC power source. For AC meaning alternating current. So for measuring, we will use a household power outlet as the AC power source and a multimeter as a measuring apparatus. Firstly, we will need to change the setting of the multimeter to ACV measurement. I will choose the 1000 voltage measurement. After that, we can turn on the power source. Then we take both probes and insert it in one of the outlets. For AC circuit, the current flows both ways, meaning the multimeter will give out the same value even if the probes are switched. So, because I am using an old multimeter, we can see that the value is not accurate. So, we can account this for as a machine error. Be reminded, for calculating the voltage of an element in an AC circuit, we need to connect the multimeter in parallel. Also, if we use the multimeter to calculate the voltage in an AC circuit, we will get the VRMS value. So to get the V peak value, we must times with the VRMS value with the square root of 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan menunjukkan cara untuk mengira arus bagi arus terus, iaitu direct current. Seperti yang anda tahu, direct current sebagai contoh direct current ialah sel bateri atau bateri. Di sini anda dapat lihat bateri ini telah dipatrikan untuk secara series, positif ke negatif dan positif ke negatif. Jadi untuk mengira arus, kita perlu memasang secara series dengan circuit. Oleh itu kita ambil kita punya multimeter dan probe positif ke positif dan probe negatif ke negatif. Kita boleh terbalikkan probe kita, tiada masalah. Jika probe terbalik, dia akan nilai arus tersebut akan bertukar dia punya daripada positif ke negatif atau daripada negatif ke positif. So sebagai contoh, jika arus dalam circuit ini ialah 10 mA, jika kita terbalikkan probe, iaitu terminal bagi multimeter kita, kita akan dapat negatif 10 mA. Okay, sekian daripada saya.
To measure AC current by using analog multimeter. Okay, measuring AC current is similar to measuring DC current. There is not much difference between measuring AC and DC current. So, however, this is the necessary steps to take the AC measurements. Okay, first step is insert the rate probe in MA or A slot depending on the range of AC current being measured. Insert the black probe into COM slot. Okay, the second step is set range selector switch to AC form of current and select the maximum range for the current measurement. Switch off the power supply to the circuit and make sure to separate the path of current, for example phase of the circuit at the which current to be measured in order to connect the meter in line with circuit. Connect the rate probe to the source side of the phase terminal and black probe to the other side of the phase terminal. Turn on the power supply and optimize the range of the multimeter by reduce the selector switch steps for the maximum deflection of the pointer. Analog meters are provided with adjustment screw to set the needle position to 0. So make sure that the needle must be at the 0 position when reading is about to measure. If not, adjust accordingly.